Welcome and thank you for listening to my presentation about precrastination. I chose the subject because I think we all know the term procrastination, right? So you have to do something and then you wait until the very end until you get super stressed about it. Yes, that's procrastinating. But have you ever heard of the opposite scenario? So in 2014, researchers actually discovered a human behavior called precrastination. This is more for short-term situations, such carrying groceries inside the house. So you could do it in one turn, where you have to pick all the groceries, or you could just split it in two. But obviously, you want to do it in one turn. So this behavior was actually discovered completely by accident during another experiment. In this experiment, participants had to walk down a road where there were two buckets standing. B1, bucket number 1, was closer to the start and B2 was closer to the end. So the task was actually quite simple. So the participants had to walk down the road and pick either one of the buckets and carry it until the end. So obviously we would expect everyone to pick bucket number 2, right? Because the distance was much shorter. But weirdly enough, most participants took number 1, B1. So the scientists are a bit confused and they ask them why would they pick B1 when the distance was much longer? So the participants answered they just didn't want to think about the task anymore. So they completed it as soon as possible. So this led to the hypothesis precrastination is used to decrease cognitive demand. Or let's put it in other words, people rush to make decisions so they don't have to think about it anymore. So I hope you found this as interesting as I did, and next time when you carry way too many groceries inside, you can reflect on yourself if you're once again precrastinating. Thank you very much for listening.